going on, guys? Got my Nguage and doing the AC mount. So this part already that comes in this bag, I went ahead and clipped it on already to kind of see how it's gonna fit. And then you have your two pieces right here. It will say up and down. You can see it say up and down. It's gonna go right behind here like this. And the front part with the magnet, hopefully I can still see. Front part with the magnet has this clip right here is gonna go on this side, on the outside towards the door. It's gonna slide right in there. It's gonna fit pretty flush, and they're gonna fall into place. And then just gonna go ahead and screw them, and you'll be good to go. I'll show you how it looks like in a little bit. Of course, these are your two screws. Okay, I'll be back. All right, so I already have it in place. Put the screws in. Like I said, it'll sit flat in the back. Yeah, I already put it in all together. I already ran the OBD2 wire, ran it straight down to the bottom. You see it there. And of course I left some slack, you know, but if anything, like I said, pretty sure it could fit just like that, perfectly fine. Now I'm gonna put the connected, or actually I'll show you how it looks right now. There we go. Shoot, that looks good. Come over here. Go ahead and plug this in. We're just gonna put this rag in the AC vent. I feel like it'll probably cause some condensate or something, so just stuff it back there and put it on. Got the tune, the intake, the manifold, and the cat delete installed. It's doing really good right now. I actually have the ghost cam setting on right now. Go ahead and do a little walk around and show you. So of course this is the Nguage. Turn this off. And you can see we have our coolant, our air temp, our voltage, spark advance. This I need to change that one to something else, and then our speed. Probably actually put this to RPM. Just put signal. RPM, speed, spark, and all that stuff. numbers. I can't tell you what she makes. I am gonna run a couple cars